Hi everybody, my name is Shannon Solomon and the name of my unit is Life of a Butterfly. This unit will explain the cycle of butterflies. It involves language arts, math, and science, and reading. And this whole unit explains from the larva, from the stage of the larva to the beautiful butterfly and what they eat and everything. The students will learn the vocabulary, which is right here. The egg is the first stage of the butterfly's life, and then the cycle right up here, which is the egg, the small caterpillar, large caterpillar, pupa, and adult, the butterfly. And then right here, the students can learn the cycle. And in the folder they have the picture of each stage of the cycle, and then they also pin the correct name of that cycle there. Then here they can name the butterfly, name each part of the butterfly, the wing, the antenna, the eye, the abdomen, and the thorax. And then over here is some fun facts that they can read, and then they are able to add fun facts from the Kindle with the book. It's called Butterflies and Caterpillars. And then there's a math game up here where they take the dice and there's little covers, and they roll the dice, and when they roll that number, they cover it. The numbers, say they roll the 10s, they cover the 10s. Then this is my math station. It's called Place Values with Butterflies, and inside it's the worksheet that they would work with right here. And there's the hundreds, tens, and ones, and they would draw a number that is out of this envelope. Let's say they drew 719, which is right here. They would take 7 of the paper clips and place them underneath the 7 for the hundreds. Then they would place bottle caps, a 1 for under the 10, and then cotton balls. They would place 9 of them under the 9 for the ones place. And they can do that as many times as they like. Then the science learning station is Butterfly Fun Facts. What they'll do is they will take and color the worksheet. The butterfly, any colors they would like, and then there's a word bank, and they would name where each line is, the arrow is pointing to. For example, the antenna, the wing, the head, the eyes, the thorax, and the abdomen. And then they also have another sheet where they would write 5 facts about butterflies, which they can use the book on the Kindle, or there's facts up here on the poster board. And then there's the answer sheet here that they can go and check when they're done with their work. and then they can share it with their classmates. And after they're done with the coloring of the butterfly and the facts, I would have a butterfly wall where they could take and hang up their butterflies. And if they choose to, they could write a short story also. This is my binder. It has all the information of this unit. The life of a butterfly. I have a table of contents which lists everything that is in here. So the first one would be the interactive board, Life of a Butterfly, and this has all the texts that are involved in it: science, math, language arts, and reading. And it tells you each step that you go through for each activity. And it provides pictures to show you. Then the next one is the math, place values. This has directions and the materials needed, the objectives for the math, learning station. The students will apply their knowledge of place values. Students will have extra practice to master the place value of numbers, and the students will be able to explain verbally how to figure out the place value of each number. And for the assessment for the math learning station, the students will quiz each other and then turn in their completed worksheet to me so I can look at it and see where they're at with their understanding. And then the last one is the science learning station, which provides directions, and it tells you the directions for them is for this activity. They would take the worksheet and color the butterfly neatly. Match the words from the word bank to the parts of the butterfly. And I remind them to make sure that they use the correct capitalization and punctuation. And it shows all the materials you may need, that you will need for this activity. And the objectives, which they'd be able to apply what they've already learned about butterflies, and they would be able to produce facts about butterflies, and they will share their colored butterflies and facts with the students in their group. And then this is extra. This is my virtual field trip for the students. And that's my unit of Life of a Butterfly. I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck. Thank you.